Welcome to the video tutorial of modeling with spreadsheets. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use data validation and Vlookup functions in Microsoft Excel. To start the process, consider the faculty data entry sheet. In this sheet, a record of work allotted to each faculty is maintained. This includes which course the faculty will teach, along with the sections allotted to him. The first demonstration is how to get the drop-down menu of the faculty list in the second column. In order to do this, we need a list of faculty names which is already available in the database sheet. To data validate, select the Data tab and under this the data validation option. We will see a data validation window on the Excel worksheet. Now, under the settings, we can see the validation criteria. We will select the option of list in the allow option, and in the data option, we will select the cells that contain the names of the faculty from the database sheet. Now press OK. You would automatically get a drop down of the list of faculty in the cell you have selected. Similarly, data validation function can be used in all those areas where you require data entry using a drop-down list. Now, coming to the second demonstration is how to get the credit of a course using the Vlookup function. In the fourth column, we want to know the number of credits allocated to each course. In the database sheet, we can observe that the credits are listed for each course. In this scenario, a Vlookup function is a good option to get us the credit automatically whenever a course is allotted to a particular faculty. In order to use a Vlookup function, just consider the syntax of the Vlookup function. The very first requirement of a Vlookup function is the lookup value. In our case, it is basically the course name for which we need to get the credit. The second requirement in the syntax of the Vlookup function is the table array. Table array is basically the table from which we will get the corresponding credit value of the course. In our case, it is the cells from C11 to E31. The third argument of the Vlookup function is the column index number, from which we need the value of the credit to be returned. In our case, this value is 3. As we want to look up for an exact match, we will select either the false or 0 as the fourth argument in the syntax of the Vlookup function. After applying Vlookup function, we have our required value of the credit of the course in our faculty data entry sheet.